everyone, welcome back to B10X, and today we are talking about how to use AI for content creation. In digital era, artificial intelligence has revolutionized how we create content and how we consume it. The process of creating content is now easier and more effective than ever, and that's all thanks to the development of AI powered tools. In this video, we will examine the advantages, working and the use of AI in content creation while also discussing the ethical problems involved and potential impact of groundbreaking innovations. Understanding AI content generators. First, what is an AI content creator? An artificial intelligent content creator is a piece of software that generates text using sophisticated algorithms and NLP methods. These content producers can create a variety of material including blog, post, articles, social media updates and ad copy. Second, how do AI content generator works? So, AI content generator depends on natural language processing, that is NLP, which lets them comprehend, decipher and produce text that is similar to human would write by looking for the patterns in the language data. Artificial intelligence content generators can learn from enormous number amounts of text and gradually improve their output thanks to machine learning algorithms. Pre-trained models to produce coherent and contextually pertinent content. AI content generators frequently use pre-trained models like GPT-4, which have been trained on a large datasets. Third, popular AI content generator tools. Here are some of the popular AI tools that are used to generate content. First, Copy AI. It is used to write faster. Second, Adobe Podcast. Enhance speech with Adobe Podcast. Third, Descript. It is used for audio and video editing. Fourth, Narrato. It is used for AI writing assistant. Fifth, Writersonic. SEO-friendly content writer is Writesonic. Sixth, Let's Enhance. It is an image fixer, an AI image fixer. Getting started with AI content generation. A. Choosing the most appropriate AI content generator for your needs. Consider factors like ease of use, customization, options, price, and the kind of content you plan to produce while selecting the best AI content generator for your project. To discover one that satisfies the needs and the objective, investigates and contrast a variety of tools. B. Setting up the AI content creator. Installation and configuration. To install and set up AI content generator, refer to the documentation that the tools creator have given. Knowing API restrictions and access. Understand how the API can be used. Some tools may have limits on the number of requests or output capacity. C. Adapting the AI to your content requirements. Educating the model in your particular area. Gives the AI pertinent data to improve its ability and produce material that fits your niche. Adjust your output setting. To satisfy your content requirement, adjust the output setting, include the length, voice and the degree of creativity. Utilizing feedback circuits. Implement a system that lets you comment on AI generated materials so that the program can learn from it and get better time. Practical applications of AI in content creation. First, blogging and article writing. AI can produce thorough, high quality blog posts and articles, sparing you time and effort. Second, social media content generation. AI can create interesting and brand consistent social media updates, allowing you to keep constant online presence. Third, e-commerce product descriptions. AI can write precise and persuasive product descriptions, improving customer experience. Fourth, email marketing. AI is capable of creating persuasive email campaigns that connect with your target group and increase conversation rates. Fifth, ad copywriting. Using AI can create persuasive ads and accurately reflect the tone of your business, increasing the click-through rates and conversations. Sixth, creative writing and storytelling. AI can inspire and aid the creation of creative works and novel screenplay and story tales. Tips for optimizing AI-generated content. Now let's have a look at that. Content flow. Make sure that the content flows naturally and keeps a logical structure by reviewing and editing the AI-generated content. Second, avoid issues with the plagiarism and copywriting. Make sure AI-generated content is unique and violated copyrights by using plagiarism detecting tool. Third, upholding the brand voice and tone. Edit the AI-generated material to make it sure that adheres the voice, the tone and standard to your company. Fourth, adding SEO recommendation practices. Add pertinent terms, meta descriptions and headings to the AI-generated content to raise its search engine positioning. Fifth, editing and proofreading AI-generated content. Carefully check the content for grammatical mistakes, consistency issues and odd writing. The ethical considerations of AI-generated content. Let's have a look at that. Transparency and disclosure. To keep your audience confidence and credibility, be open and contemplate disclosing the use of AI in the content generation. Concerns about job displacement. Recognize the potential effects of AI on the labor market and work to strike a balance between automatic tasks and maintaining chances for human employment. C. Avoiding biased and harmful content. Keep an eye out for the biased and discriminatory or harmful content produced by AI that can take action, as there are tools unintentionally reinforce biases and that are already present in the training data. The future of AI in content creation. New advancements. Emerging trends in AI such as enhanced natural language understanding, increased creativity and enhanced personalization should be kept up to date. Potential difficulties and restrictions. Recognize the present shortcomings of AI generated content, including inconsistency, over optimization, and difficulty in comprehending nuanced human emotions. Using AI as creative collaborator. Consider AI as a useful tool to improve and supplement content production rather than as a replacement for human creativity. Concluding the video, unquestionably, AI generated content has transformed the field of content production. We can harness the power of AI content generation to create high quality, pertinent content by comprehending its workings, applications, and ethical issues. Accept AI as a creative collaborator and investigate the opportunities it presents to improve your content strategy and accomplish your objective. Are you prepared to take the advantage of the chance that the future of content generators offers? Join B10X and learn to use AI tools in the best possible way. Thank you for watching.